ng black na rutong top. Kasi guys, wala pa naman sinasabi sa amin. So, maghihintay lang talaga kayo guys kung kailan yung restocks. Ayun. Kailangan nyo lang talaga maghintay kasi makikita nyo lang suot namin siya kung na-restock siya guys. Okay, go na everyone! Marami tayong mag-end live. May tube XL. Ano pong tube? Wala kaming tube guys. Parang face out na po yung mga tubes namin. Okay, thank you so much guys sa mga naghahabol ng checkout. We only have 9 minutes guys. Okay, last 9 minutes and live na tayo after 9 minutes. Ang pangit talaga ng sugat ko guys. Napaso kasi to eh. May paso na ako dito. Napaso pa ako dito. Ang pangit tuloy. Okay. Kakainis. May make-upan ko na lang siya. Ayan, go na guys! So, check out na po. Malapit na tayo mag-end sale, babe. Kaya thank you so much, guys. Okay, last 9 minutes, guys. I'll live now after 9 minutes. What BRA you're using po? Miss Julia. The BRA I'm using, babe, is silicone. Silicone, guys. Ayan. Silicone BRA yung gamit ko from Adore, babe. Okay, silicone from Adore. Ano siya, guys? Yung dinidikra sa damit, guys. Mag-silicone kayo. Okay, gamitin nyo sa Adore, guys. Super madikit, promise. Super dikit nung sa Adore. Okay, palm shape gamit ko guys. Palm shape silicone BRA. Okay guys, last 8 minutes and live na tayo after 8 minutes. Kaya sa mga hindi pa po nakakahabol guys, go na po. Okay, 8 minutes na lang guys and live and sale na. Ayan. Kaya habol, check out na po while we are on live. Okay, go, 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 guys! Comment your boss and your waist, babe, ha? Kung di nyo po alam talaga yung size nyo, i-comment nyo yung boss and waist nyo para ma-help ko kayo for your perfect sizing. Okay, okay, okay. Ayan, go na, guys! Wait lang. Sorry guys, medyo pause na kasi tayo eh, no? Okay, go na babe! Ayan, ulitin ko guys ha, mag-end live na po tayo maya-maya. Okay? Guys, hanggang ano lang ako, 11:59, hindi na ako mag-extend sale. Okay, 11:59, no extensions na ako guys. 4.9 daw, 23 waist. If you are 23 waist, I go for extra small. Okay? Yes guys, mag-end live na ako ng 11:59. Okay, 11:59 and live na tayo. So, all you need to do, guys, is mag-done checkout. Okay? Kasi nga, wala nang pa-sale mamaya, guys. 12 na, 12, ay, ano pala, guys? 12:59. 12:59, sabi ko. Okay, 12:59 po, and live and sale tayo, guys, 12:59. Kaya, go na, babes! Thank you so much, guys. Keep on checking out kasi maya-maya po, and sale na tayo, guys, maya-maya. Ayan, last 7 minutes, babe. Don't check out, thank you, guys. So, don't check out, thank you, babe, ha. Keep on checking out. Mag-end live na kasi tayo, babe. Okay? Ayan, go na, guys. Ayan. Pwede makita yung back ng top. Okay, for the back ng top, guys, this is our back part. Okay, back ng top and back ng shorts, guys. Okay, back ng top and back po ng shorts. Okay, thank you guys sa mga nagda-done check out. Okay, mag-end live na tayo, guys, maya-maya, kaya go na po, okay? Ayan, for my GF. Okay, last 5 minutes, babe. Okay, last 5 minutes. Mag-end live na ako, guys, after 5 minutes. I'm sleepy na, guys. I'm so sleepy na talaga naman. Okay, inaantok na ako, guys. Perfect 3XL, guys. We don't have 3XL here sa studio. Meron lang kami, guys, size small and XS, guys. Mostly XS, guys. Okay, dark acid gray off shoulder. Dark acid gray off shoulder. Wait lang, guys. Dark acid. Ito, babe. Dark acid per hour off shoulder. Okay, go na, guys! And live na tayo. Okay, for my suot, guys, ito pa yung mga colors sa suot right now. I am wearing color baby blue po. Ito yung mga colors. We have sip ko ng Monica. Kawawa, hindi naman kawawa, guys. Hindi ako kawawa, no? Ayan, there's our color black, color off-white, color choco brown, color light gray, color dark taupe, there's our color dark gray, color featured dust, there's our color maroon, and color midnight blue po. Okay, yan yung mga colors, guys, na available natin. Okay, and live na tayo, guys, kaya sa mga hindi pa nakakaabot, go na! 4 minutes na lang ako, guys, naka-live. For Morena, Miracle. For Morena, if you want ng nakaka-Morena, mas nakakatan ng skin tone, nakaka-Morena ng skin tone lalo, go for off-white at color baby blue. Pero, babe, if you want naman ng super nakakaputi, go for sa mga colors na hindi ko nabanggit. The rest ng mga colors na hindi ko nabanggit, yun po, mga nakakaputing colors yun, guys. Okay, ayan, guys, and live na ako 12:59, babe. As in, saktong 12:59 and live na ako, guys. Ayan, kaya thank you po. 3 minutes left, guys. Last 3 minutes. Okay, last 3 minutes. Okay, go na, guys. Bagyo na. May umuulan ba, guys? Di ko marinig eh, kasi closed yung aming place. Feeling ko hindi umuulan, guys, kasi wala akong narinig. Wala akong naririnig, guys. Aircon lang. Okay, winners of the midnight blue, not sure pa tayo, guys. Dark taupe. Dark taupe. Dark taupe. There's our dark taupe, babe. Okay, hanggang anong size? 3XL sa short. 3XL, babe, hanggang yan. 34, 36 waistline. Okay, 34, 36 waistline po. How's the tela po? The tela ng top ko, babe, is cotton spandex. Okay, cotton spandex yung tela ng suot ko, guys. And it is double lining. Cotton spandex is very, very stretchable, guys. Okay, flex ko lahat ng colors. Ito, guys, yung Future Dusk. Future Dusk. Ito lahat ng colors. Color black, off-white, color choco brown, light gray, dark gray, Future Dusk, color maroon, midnight blue, and color dark taupe. Ayan. Guys, mag-live na ako. Next size po, mapaya na po. Ayan. Guys, ulitin ko, mag-live na ako 12:59. Okay, saktong 12:59, guys. And live na tayo. Okay, if I were you guys, go na po. May live ako ulit bukas, guys. Live ko tomorrow, 8 p.m. Okay, live ko tomorrow, 8 p.m. po. 7 size, 28, 29 waistline. 7 size po. Go for medium, babe. 28, 29 medium na po. Good night, guys. Thank you so much for tonight, guys. Good night, everyone. Sa mga viewers natin, see you sa next live natin. Live ko bukas, guys. Body Steel. Thank you so much. Live ko tomorrow, guys, is 8 p.m. So, hindi ako dito sa account na to, guys. Doon sa isang account namin. Live host. BSCO live host. Doon ako mag-live bukas, guys. Extensor, guys, hindi ko na kaya kasi nakantok na ako. And, ang sakit na sikmura ako. Nagugutom yata ako, guys. Okay. Kasi hindi ako kumain bago ako umalis ng QC. So, guys, last one. Ay, guys, mag-live na ako. So, thank you so much, everyone, sa mga nag-down check it for our live. See you sa next live ko tomorrow, guys. 10 a.m. Ano, guys? 8 p.m. po. Okay, 8 p.m. Kasi, guys, hindi ako papasok ng 1 week next month. Kaya, sigarin nyo na. Ano na ako, guys? Mag-live na ako. Okay, bye, guys. Bye!